YouTube. We're back. I'm here with Brahma Mama and we're going to talk more about chickens. We're going to give you a tour of our run today. So sit back and we'll go over it here in a second. It's winter here in Nebraska, so we've done a few things to winterize our run as well as our coop. Now, what we used for our run was a dog kennel that we purchased from Menards. Then we purchased a separate canvas cover for the roof, and we got that from Tractor Supply. It's not an exact fit, but it fits pretty snug, and that cover there keeps off any sort of snow in the winter, but also provides shade and protection from the rain as well. We're going to walk over here on the north side of our run, which we purchased a greenhouse garden tarp off of Amazon to cover the north side for wind protection, and we've just attached it with some zip ties right here, so easy on, easy off. Now, we don't have dedicated electrical out to our run or our coop, so what we've done is we've ran extension cords out here, and we have this timer set up for the lights in the run and the coop, and with this timer we can run it off of our phones. It's kind of important during the winter because you don't want the water freezing. And as you can see, we got a 12-gallon water here, and we got the extension cord running out, and we've repurposed a aquarium heater. So there's our aquarium heater, and that generally keeps the water from freezing most of the winter. I highly recommend getting a heated dog water bowl as well. Depending on where you live at, it can get extremely cold. We had negative 10 degrees ambient temperature, and we had to use a heated dog water bowl. We have our gravity feeders made from PVC pipe over here. We've cut holes in the dog kennel and ran the pipe out so you can access it from the outside. Now we have a total of 6 feeders, and it'll take generally about 60 pounds of feed. And then we also have a separate container for our oyster shells as well, and that helps with having hard eggshells. Then we got this free coop from a lady who was getting out of the chicken business. It was pretty dilapidated when we got it. We got some exterior paint from the hardware store and used some couple extra screws to secure it, repainted it, and now we use it for chicken jail. We have one of our girls in here right now. She's in there because she thinks that it's quite acceptable to hide in nesting boxes all day. Then if you go over here, I have one hiding in there. She's decided that she wants to try and hatch eggs, and we don't have a rooster, so she's stuck in jail as well. Now, when we don't have any naughty chicken business going on, we have it open so all of the chickens can use it, and that actually gives us more vertical space in our run for them to use. We got a shop light, which we have hooked up to our timer over there, so it comes on at sunset and then goes off a couple hours later, and then we have it come on a little bit before sunrise in the morning, which helps increase your egg production during the winter. We have also utilized the vertical space and installed some roosting bars here. The other thing that we did was include about a ton of sand in our run. That helps keep your mud down, helps with drainage from snow and rain, and it keeps their feet from getting all muddy. Now, I will let you know that every so often you have to clean out your run and dig up all this stuff and put in new sand, for the simple fact that the average chicken poops about 10 pounds a year, so they're little pooping machines. Your coop like this is going to run you about $300 if you buy it new, so I highly recommend looking on some place like Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace to get an extra coop. That way, if you have an injured bird or a bird that you need to separate from your flock, you got that extra space there. And then they got plenty of room to run and dig around when we're not letting them free range out in our yard. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. If you want to see more chicken videos, please be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll try to come up with some other content for you on our chickens.